Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode for bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So without further ado, let's head over to Kali Linux VM to begin. We can log in and choose the module or the bug what we are going to perform. Yes, this one, session ID in URL. We can click this. So here it's saying session IDs should never be exposed in the URL. Yes, indeed. If you look at the URL, we found there is session ID, and this session ID, I think this ID will be the same as, this one, cookie. Yes, they're same. So it's dangerous. If somebody else can capture URL, and then he can manipulate or hijack the session of the victim. Okay, what I mean, let me demonstrate for you. We can, of course, right now the user is B. We can open new private window. So now, this session, this session will be active. In the meantime, we can go to this new private window and create a new user. We have trouble. Interesting. bWAPP. Let me copy. Oh, sorry. I misspelled. So now we can create new user like a test 11 and test 11 test.com 123 123 create, and then we can and now I'd like to open new private window and access. Okay, and so test 11 123 login. So now we go to this one, or not this one. Okay, and of course this session ID belongs to the user test 11. So how about we manipulate or change the session ID and try to hijack the victim, or in this case B administrator. Okay, so how to do? Let me get, so not this one. We can cut, this is not the B, yes, and we can copy from here or from the URL, it doesn't matter. So now, yes, we can change. Okay, and refresh the page, and then we can hijack the session of B. We can refresh. It's not successful. So the B why it's not working? So this session is active or not? Let me refresh. Oh, sorry. This should be the session ID of the B. Okay. And now we can refresh. Yes, you see, we successfully hijack the session of the B. Okay. And we can change the level to medium. But I wonder, this time, you see session IDs should never be exposed in the URL. But if you check the URL this time for the medium secret level, no session ID exists in the URL. And also the high secret level. Okay, anyway, I have already demonstrated this vulnerability session ID lies in the URL and how to exploit such vulnerability. With that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day, please.